how to make a catering website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. It's completely free to create an account on Wix.com. You just need to use your email address and create a suitable password. So feel free to create an account on Wix.com. Next, you just need to click this blue button, create new site. You will be redirected to another page, Wix site creation. Here, Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. And now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need catering website, just type catering, and here you can have a catering service, catering chef, a catering portfolio, self-catering cottage, cat food delivery service. So choose whatever you want here, but basically we need a catering website. So I'm gonna choose catering service and click continue. This will help Wix.com create a dashboard. You can see it's loading. And the next step is that we need to create a name for website. I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. So basically just use your name of your business here. Don't really need this website, so just example. Here you can choose the apps you would like to add to your site, so to give your site more functionality. Recommended for you is restaurant menus, food orders, table reservations and bookings. I think basically this is the same. So also you can discover more apps here, such as online store, events, blog, portfolio, pricing plans, restaurant menus, food orders and table reservations already built in our website, so we don't need to choose them. So just click continue. And now we are back to our dashboard, and you can see that we still have 7 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. It's pretty simple. Because you just need to create your menu, set up online ordering, set up table reservations, set up your payment methods. Basically you understand that you should complete this by yourself. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this point, design your website, the most important, maybe the most complicated. And now you need to decide exactly how you want to create your website. Generate a design with AI or customize a template. I'm gonna choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. Wix.com can offer us plenty of templates and all of them are really nice. So here you just need to choose the template that you think is the best for you and for your business. I really like this one, and just for example I'm gonna choose this one, catering company, as you can see. Next you need to click edit and you will be redirected to Wix website editor. Wix website editor is the best option to create a website because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use your Wix.com to create another website. So use website to create another website, your own website. So this is the best about Wix.com in my opinion. That's why I highly recommend it to you. And everything is ready now. We can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our website. We have such pages as home, about, services, sample menu, order online, and so on. Also, you can manage pages, you can delete some pages, you can change the order of pages, you can add new page here. For example, client reviews. You can easily delete this page like this. And also on the left, we have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. And also here you can see how every page is divided into several parts, from header here to footer. So guys, the main tool how to edit everything on this website, almost everything, you just need to double click on element you want to edit. For example, you want to edit this specific section, welcome section, so you just need to double click on it like this. And now you able to edit this section. For example, you want to edit this text, you just need to double click on this text. Now you can delete this text, write whatever you want here. You can change the style, fonts, font size, basically everything. Also you can edit this text by clicking this button. You can change the background, you can move everything, you can change the size of everything like this. Stretch, here you can see, we can move it, we can scale it up or scale it down. You can scale it like a section here. You can delete some elements like this and add new one by clicking this button, add elements. For example, here you can add text like this. Here you can add image from your computer. You need to upload it. You can add some buttons like this. You can add some sections. For example, contact section. Choose a section and drop it anywhere on the page like this. So guys, in general the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's pretty clear to any user. And when you're done editing your website, you just need to click this button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.